In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to humanize AI content using QuillBot, QuillBot AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take robotic-sounding text and make it more natural, readable, and ready for real audiences, all with a simple browser-based workflow. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. This ensures an easy, reliable path to the official site without needing to remember any URLs. Once you're on Google, type QuillBot into the search bar. You'll see a list of results appear. Look for the official QuillBot domain, which is quillbot.com. Choosing the official site helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you get the latest features and the safest experience. Click into the QuillBot website. On the home page, you'll notice several tools the platform offers. For our purpose today, find and click on AI Humanizer. This tool is designed to refine AI-generated or overly formal writing so it reads more naturally while preserving the original meaning. On the AI Humanizer page, you'll see a text area where you can type or paste your content. Before you paste, a quick best practice. Remove any sensitive details and make sure the text reflects the message you actually want to communicate. Humanizing works best when your starting point is clear about tone and intent. Think about whether you want the result to sound friendly, professional, or neutral, and consider adding a sentence of context if the text feels too bare. Once your text is in the box, click the Humanize button. The tool will process your content for a moment. Processing time can vary, and it may take a bit longer if your internet connection is slow or if your text is lengthy. During this step, avoid refreshing or navigating away so you don't interrupt the process. When the results appear, read them carefully. Check that the meaning is intact and that the tone fits your audience. If something feels off, tweak a sentence or two right in the text area. You're aiming for clarity, flow, and a voice that feels genuinely human without losing the substance of your original message. Pay special attention to transitions, word choice, and phrasing that sounds overly stiff or repetitive. That's all there is to it. You went to Google, searched for QuillBot, opened the official site, selected AI Humanizer, added your text, and clicked Humanize. With a little review and light editing, your content is now more natural and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.